Hello friends, today I am going to make a video on a request of one of our subscriber. He asked me how we can count or sum the number of cell or the value of the cell based on the color. So here's the sample. So let's begin with the demo how we can do this. First of all, you have to extract the code of each color. How we can do this? Let's begin. First of all, what you need to do, go to the formula tab and click here on new manager, and then make a reference here, new reference with the name of the color code, and here you have to write a formula like get dot cell bracket 38 is the number to extract the code, and the color have to select it by selecting the cell. But I don't want it to fix the cell, so I don't want dollar signs here. Press F4 to remove until all the dollar signs are disappear. Bracket close, hit OK. Now the reference is ready. How we can extract the code for each color? It is equals to write color code, double click on it and enter. So it will extract the code of this color, and then if you drag it down to the end, it will extract the code of each color. So now what I want to count this number of cells based on the color and some of the cells based on the color. How I can do this? Let's begin. It is equals to write count if, and it will ask you two things, the range and criteria. My range is this color codes, and my criteria is color code reference that I made before. Bracket close, hit enter. That's how we can count the number of cells highlighted by the green color. For example, I can count manually because the sheet is short. 1 2 3 4 5 6 cells are of green color, and if I drag it down to the end to apply the same formula on each cell, so the 5 are the blue color highlighters and 4 cells are highlighted by the yellow color. Now I want to sum these cells based on the color. How I can do this? The formula is almost similar. It is equals to write sum if, click on it. It asks you the range is similar like above, comma, criteria is again color code, and the sum range is this, as we know. Bracket close, enter, and drag it down to the end to apply same formula on each cell. So this is how you can sum cell based on the color, highlighter or conditional formatting. I hope you like this video. Bye bye. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.